Yes, good morning, Uganda. As you can see, today we woke up with a big surprise. As you can see, there's water everywhere. We are in Alito bridge. Alito bridge is now submerged with the water. As you can see, people are stuck the other side. Even this side, people are stuck. The bus is there and the people are really stuck. We want to call upon government to intervene and help us with this road. We are in a bad situation. As you can see, there's water everywhere and the road is cut off between Kapelebyong and Abim. There is no more connection. This is a highway that comes from Soroti, passes Amuria via Obalanga and connecting to Otuke, Abim and Kotido. But there's no more movement. The road is cut off. As you can see, water is overlocked everywhere.